I found these in a grab bag at Goodwill. Let's take them apart, review, and test them, shall we?
Some say that this isn't actually an active adapter and just physically converts PS2 to USB. I say that's a lie because even if you have one of those mice or keyboard that have, the ability to work on USB, I don't think they can go into one. I imagine it has to go like through a hub or something. But that's okay. We can do a quick teardown because based on that product review, this case isn't held together by anything. And oh, they actually held the board in. Is it a chip or is it a blob? Well, there's an active component. Who the heck knows what it does? PCB-SA051 revision H. That's a lot of revisions for a keyboard adapter. Is this the right way, this one in here? Does it really matter? I guess we can compare. We do own two. Oh, I can't find it though. Actually, there's two on it. Alright, so, anyway, so I broke the peg. Quick review of this if you, for some reason, would buy this instead of any other PS2 adapter that exists on the market. The case is cheap, so we're going to go ahead and add that guy to the bin. Pile, not actually the trash, but you know what I mean. And we'll use this guy. I guess to test this, we'll need a computer and a keyboard. And I guess an adapter. Okay, it's probably good. Well, I'm using Linux. Do I get bonus points now? Well, so, little tip for you youngins. If you're using an adapter, PS2 isn't a hot swap, so you want to plug this in first before you do the USB. While it's plugged into the USB, don't unplug this. It's very bad. No, unplug USB and change things. Well, the hardest part is the fact USB port's not right there. Well, let's plug it in, see if it catches fire. Where's the... Oh, it's back here. Well, the numlock light works. That's probably good. Hey. Yay. I was going to say something like, I'll try not to make this ending as cringy as my Dell Bigfoot video, but I think the theme of my laptop kind of does that for me, so... Yay, cringe! Let's test the keyboard. I can't type. What in the world? Why do I have a terminal? What am I doing? Or not, whatever, prompt. There we go. Hold on, don't I have some form of Tetris on here? Oh, I've got solitaire. That's not Tetris. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can do nano. I forgot there was nano and that I can just use it as a text editor, although I'm on Linux with the GUI that does have a text editor, so I wouldn't need to use something like nano, but I am, so oh well. I don't know what to say. The adapter works for gaming. I've had PS2 adapters in the past that don't let you press multiple keys at the same time, so this one doesn't do that, which is good. It looks like you can use it for gaming, or, like all the way up to mid-tier gaming, but not like CSGO, because I'm sure someone's going to shout about, like, this doesn't support N key or something ridiculous that I don't know. But I can be walking in a game and also jump at the same time or something like that. It was just too hard for one of them to handle. Thumbs up. It's not terrible. I don't know if $11 is good, but I feel like there's better ones in the market. So thank you for watching. Have a great whatever you're having. And if not, make it great. Party on? I don't know.